it's recording though. Sometimes it isn't.
Oh, really? Alright, today on Ben's Nature Reserve, we're here at Lake Mead. I don't know if you guys can see the lake. Oh, here, let me get you a better view. See the lake over there. Pretty cute. Pretty zesty. Pretty zesty, boy. So, over here we got a couple of rocks. This is actually pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can... Yeah, you guys can probably see that. There we go, that's better. Oh, look at this one. This one's got like a leopard skin. Okay, sorry. And we got some pretty little flower things here. I don't know if you guys can. It's very beautiful to me. And over here we have. I don't know what this plant is, but it is actually really cool. It's like bright blue and some more of these little fluffy ones. They're pretty cool. And if you walk over here, we've got more fluffy plants. Ooh, some nice leaves. These are some really cool looking leaves because if you look at them, I'm gonna get them to focus. Alright, you guys can't see that. Yeah, so over here there's a little bit dog stuff. Some pretty trees, I guess, or pretty tree. Ow, my leg. No, I'm sorry. We have some dog feces right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, watch out for this. I saw a couple of bunnies. I don't know if they're here still. Wild neighbor. It'd be really nice to see a bunny if we could. Oh, more of those blue leaf plants. I think those are really cool. Those are just random. Ooh, a little hole right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. As we go. Ooh. The hole somehow capized. I don't know what you guys see down there. Okay. Let's see, on to the next. Yeah, it is. So, sorry about that. Just a random dude telling me about snakes or something. I don't know. I didn't really care. I couldn't hear him. Shh. And, one of my favorites. Look at these leaves. I don't know if you guys can see them. Hang on. Yeah, they look a lot darker in the video, but they're really weird looking. I'm just gonna hold one. Dude, the whole point of recording is recording, where no one's talking, it's just you. Anyway. Just look for cars, tell me if you see any cars, guys. Okay. And over here we have what looks like tree bark that got peeled off, which is pretty cool. Some more leaves. Those look really bright. I am so sorry. Okay. Oh! Tell me what y'all see in there. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna go in there. You know, it's a bit too spooky. Oh! Look at this yellow one. It's like some evolved version of the fluffy plants we saw. It's pretty cool. So, and, oh, look at these beautiful things. The rocks, Just gotta get my rocks in. Look at these beautiful little flowers. Yeah, they look a lot weirder on your screen. To all the viewers watching, it's my first time, so yeah. Oh! I saw a bunny. I saw the bunny. Bird right there. I don't know if you guys saw that. I might not have kept the camera on it. Birds over there. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. Palm trees. I don't know if you guys can see that. We got some pretty cool mountains. And the moon. That little white speck. Yeah, you guys probably can see that. Yeah, you guys have the American flag. Anyway, on to the next. Alright, I mean brown fluffy plants? Evolution, am I right? Okay. Can't go that way. Burnt plants, burnt plants, burnt plants. Look at these not burnt plants. Oh. See, this is what those white flowers look like. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then this was that leaf I was talking about. Ouchie. So, alright, that's gonna be it for the video. See you next time.